Buddies, welcome back. Today we're going to unbox this Asus Vg245 gaming monitor. The only aspects you really need to care about is the 1 millisecond response time. Yes, 1 millisecond response time, 75 hertz refresh rate, 2 HDMIs, and definitely full HD, 1080p. There's a bunch of other specs on this joint, but y'all ain't gotta worry about that right now. I'm too hyped to get this thing going, you hear me? So I'm done rapping. Yeah. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Uh-oh. I finally get it straight open. Yes, sir. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. You hear me? Let's go ahead and do it like this. It is that tough to get the joint open though. Alright, let's just do it like that. Fuck it. You know what? We going Rambo. HDMI cord. I got the instruction manual. Now this joint packed in here, but like I said, we going Rambo on this joint. Yeah. You know I'm struggling, so that's why I gotta go Rambo. The box is like that though, you can't even weld. You see all that good stuff? Oh yeah. I ain't dropped nothing, so I'm just being secure somewhat. Yes, definitely. I got a lot of this going on. You heard me? Yeah, give it here. Get out. Get out. All that. Get out. Ain't nothing else in the box. Get my monitor. Yeah. So we got the monitor here. We got VGA cables, you hear me? We got, HDMI and a VGA. We definitely gonna use this auxiliary cord whenever, I don't know. And we got the power. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this thing together. So the stand actually comes attached with it. So yeah, all we gotta do is put the base on. And we're gonna be done with that. Hey, look at that. Hey, this presentation job, nice. So we're gonna put the base on first. All you gotta do is these 2 points. Boom, and you good. Wow. Huh. Really in pivot action already. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh man, the back design is crazy. Don't worry, I'm gonna give y'all a better view. Oh my goodness. Aside from the specifications on this monitor and just focus on the physical aspects, this monitor is beautiful, and I can't lie about that. Like, I'm not even trying to size it, but the design, the quality, it's all like that. You can't take nothing away from this monitor. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, and it's one of the best monitors. It is the best monitor for its price, $200, and you can't really beat that especially with the specs that come with it. This part is for your cable management. All you gotta do is remove the panel, run your cords through, and it's gonna give you that clean look so your cords won't be everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the pivot action, the height adjustment, the tilt, and the viewing angles of this monitor. Buddies, it's all that time. So the next time, hit that like button, comment, and share. I did struggle to get it open, but I went Rambo and opened it up. Don't do that. Just, if you end up going Rambo, be cautious. You might end up damaging your product. Luckily, I didn't. Also, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Always remember, it's tech for the culture. Y'all be easy. I'ma holler at y'all later.